We're all told to eat more veggies, but drinking them can be helpful too. Carrot juice is a popular vegetable juice because it is much sweeter and milder in flavor than other types. It also comes with a long list of health benefits. Carrot juice contains a little bit of protein and fiber while keeping its fat and calorie content low. It is also rich in vitamins and minerals, packing in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as potassium in each cup. It also has plant compounds called carotenoids that act as antioxidants and fight against damage caused by free radicals in the body. 1 cup of carrot juice contains 250% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin A in the form of carotenoids like beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthine. All of these contribute to optimal eye health and can reduce your risk of age-related eye diseases. If you drink carrot juice every day, you'll be rewarded with healthy eyes and vision. Other benefits of carrot juice. The reasons to drink carrot juice don't stop at eye health. The same antioxidants that protect your eyes can also reduce your risk of developing certain types of cancer. Eating vegetables and drinking vegetable juice can decrease your likelihood of getting mouth, esophagus, lung, stomach, and other cancers. This juice is a great option to sip during pregnancy as well, as the calcium, folate, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin A all help a growing fetus get stronger. Vitamin C also boosts the immune system and potassium helps to maintain good heart health. Carrot juice may even reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Is there a downside to sipping on this drink? Like with all foods, anything in excess can be harmful. It's also important to note that carrot juice contains minimal fiber and won't keep you full for very long. To enjoy all the benefits from carrots, you'll want to munch on the whole vegetable whenever you can. However, carrot juice is a great alternative to sugary fruit juices and sodas.